Welcome to this episode of Say It with Scott, where we look at how the words we use affect the lives we live. I'm Scott Sery, and I'm a copywriter and a lover of how we can take one or two words in a sentence, tweak them just a little bit, and dramatically change the message that we're sending. This episode is brought to you by Strategic Advisor Board and by my company, Sery Content Development. Today we're looking at something called Weasel words. These are widespread. You've probably used them on accident or maybe on purpose, and they're generally designed that you don't commit to really anything and sometimes actually trick or mislead people into buying or signing up for a product. We see them, certain industries use them a lot more than others, but every industry at one point in time has fallen prey to such weasel words. So I'll give you a few examples on how they work, what they are, and how you can actually use them, but you have to go a step farther with them. Weasel words are things like fraction of. We can say, my product costs a fraction of the price of the competitors. Well, technically 99 out of 100 is a fraction, so it's slightly less. Actually, technically 200 out of 100 is a fraction still, so your product could be double and still be a fraction of the other guys. Other weasel words are things like as much as. So you may hear, members of our MLM make as much as $10,000 per week. Sure, they make as much as that, but the vast majority of them make far less than that. Other weasel words are words like can or could. Our product can outlast any competitor. Sure, if you use our product only one time every year, it will far outlast every competitor. Another weasel word is improve or increase. Things like our totally legit SEO services will improve your rankings and increase the traffic to your website. If you're in spot 198 and you move to spot 197, it's an improvement, so they didn't lie, but it really didn't commit to anything. Now, you can use weasel words in your copywriting or in your marketing or anything you do, but you have to make sure you're able to justify them. So if you say something like, we charge a fraction of what our competitors charge, you have to go on to show that competitors charge 100 and you charge 20 or 22 or 9 or whatever you charge. You say, see, our price is a fraction of their price, a small fraction of their price. And maybe show more than one competitor, because you might be comparing premium, top of the line to yours, which is actually in line with everybody else. That's another topic for another time. Other ways to do this are as much as, you earn as much as $10,000 per week, and then you show that 99% of employees make $10,000 or more per week. You don't show the top person compared to, just exclude all those outliers or those bottom people. Anyway, if you want to improve the way your copy sounds or increase the number of people reading your copy, it's important to hire a copywriter, somebody that works with words every single day and understands which ones work and which ones don't. Thanks for watching this episode of Say It with Scott. I hope that you found something educational and inspirational that you can take back to your business and apply today. If what I was saying doesn't make sense or you don't believe I can improve the quality of your writing, click those links below, reach out, and I'd be happy to help. As always, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe so that you get notifications every time Strategic Advisor Board or my company, Sery Content Development, posts another tip or trick for your life or business.